Imagine making $10,000 a month while sitting on a beach, laptop open, coffee in hand. Sounds like a dream, right? But some people actually do it. Digital nomads aren't lazy. They work online through freelancing, consulting, content creation, or running a business, all while traveling the world. Remote work wasn't always this easy, but high-speed internet, cloud tools, and events like COVID changed everything. Suddenly, your office could be anywhere. From 2000 to 2026, more and more people started working online, proving that jobs don't require being in a single office. Freelance websites, remote job boards, and platforms for entrepreneurs make finding work simple. You just need skills and consistency. Some earn $1,000 a month, others $10,000. It's not luck. It's smart work, diversification, and dedication. Countries like Bali, Thailand, Portugal, and Mexico attract digital nomads with cheap living, fast internet, and stunning scenery. But life isn't all paradise. Nomads juggle emails, Zoom calls, and deadlines while exploring new cities. Miss a deadline, and the consequences can be real. Staying organized is key. Luckily, the Nomad community helps. Online calls, shared tips, and co-working spaces keep productivity high and loneliness low. Most nomads don't rely on one income source. They diversify across freelancing, e-commerce, and content creation, which makes $10,000 a month possible. Taxes, banking, and visas can be tricky mistakes. Here cost money, so staying informed is essential. Success isn't just about money. Designing your lifestyle, setting boundaries, and staying disciplined are equally important. Digital nomads master money, covering living, travel, and savings without stress. The lifestyle is dynamic. Work in cafes, travel mountains, meet other nomads, learn new skills, and grow professional. Consistency pays off after a year. Many nomads see both income and personal growth rise dramatically. Some experienced nomads even mentor others, creating new income streams while feeling rewarded. From Bali to Lisbon, digital nomads are redefining work, combining money, freedom, and adventure into one lifestyle. Making $10,000 a month from beaches isn't magic. It takes skill, discipline, and smart choices, but it's possible. So, what about you? Could you trade your cubicle for a laptop and a beach? Start small, plan smart, and maybe paradise isn't that far away. Subscribe for more finance stories and lifestyle hacks.